You've likely used public Wi-Fi at some point, maybe in a cafe, airport, or even at the library. But did you know that public Wi-Fi can be a hacker's playground? In this video, we'll break down how someone can steal your Google email and password using public Wi-Fi and what you can do to prevent it. Let's start with the most common method, the man-in-the-middle attack. Imagine you're sending data between your device and a website, and in the middle, there's a hacker intercepting everything you're sending and receiving. When you log into your Google account, they capture your email and password in plain text if the connection is not secure. Hackers can also set up fake Wi-Fi hotspots that look legitimate. These networks trick you into connecting, and once you do, they capture all your login information. If you see an open Wi-Fi network that doesn't require a password, be cautious. Now, how do you protect yourself? First, use a VPN, or virtual private network, which encrypts your data. This makes it impossible for hackers to see what you're doing, even if they're intercepting your connection. Also, enable two-step verification on your Google account. This adds an extra layer of security, so even if a hacker steals your password, they won't be able to access your account without a second form of verification. Remember, public Wi-Fi is convenient, but it comes with risks. Protect your accounts, use a VPN, and enable two-factor authentication to stay secure. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech hacks and cybersecurity tips.